Unlock the secrets to a thriving dropshipping business by mastering the art of finding dependable suppliers with Salehoo. In today's competitive e-commerce landscape, your supplier is your lifeline. Salehoo equips you with the tools to navigate this crucial aspect of dropshipping, ensuring you partner with reliability and drive profitability. Let's dive into how Salehoo can supercharge your business. Step 1. Discovering potential suppliers. Salehoo's extensive directory is your treasure trove, featuring thousands of vetted dropshipping suppliers. You can search by niche, product type, or even specific keywords to find exactly what you're looking for. Imagine finding suppliers for trending gadgets or eco-friendly home goods. Watch as we search for pet supplies. See how Salehoo instantly returns a list of suppliers, each with important details. Step 2. Supplier verification is paramount. Salehoo takes the guesswork out of this by preventing their suppliers. However, it's still wise to check their ratings, rate reviews, and see if they offer drop shipping services. Specifically, look for suppliers with good communication and positive feedback. Step 3. Market research made easy before committing. Salehoo helps you gauge product demand and potential profitability. Utilize their market research tools to understand pricing, competition, and identify winning products that your customers will love. This foresight is key to avoiding costly mistakes. This allows you to make informed decisions, ensuring your chosen products are not only desirable but also have the potential for healthy profit margins. By leveraging Salehoo, you streamline your product sourcing, build trustworthy relationships with suppliers, and gain a significant edge in the dropshipping world. This means less time spent on unreliable sources and more time focused on growing your successful online business. Ready to elevate your dropshipping game? Salehoo is your essential tool for finding quality suppliers and building a profitable business.